In the wellness world, trust is everything. Your clients don't just come to you for a service. They come to you for comfort, care, and peace of mind. They trust you with their bodies, their stress, and their well-being. From the moment they step into your space, every detail shapes that trust. The lighting, the music, the temperature of the room, the scent in the air, and most importantly, the linens they come into direct contact with. Fresh, clean linens are not optional in a spa environment. They are the foundation of professionalism. When a client lies down for a massage or wraps themselves in a towel, they should feel immediate comfort, softness, cleanliness, neutral, fresh fabric that disappears into the experience instead of drawing attention to itself. Because when linens aren't right, clients notice instantly, and it breaks the sense of relaxation you've worked so hard to create. Spa laundry comes with a challenge most people outside the wellness industry don't fully understand. Essential oils don't behave like normal stains or odors. They cling to fabric. They seep deep into fibers. They build up slowly over time. And if they're not removed properly, they linger, leaving behind scents that mix, clash, or overpower the calm atmosphere your clients expect. Even worse, improper washing can cause oils to remain trapped in towels and sheets, creating a cycle of buildup that no regular home washer can fix. The result? Linens that look clean but don't feel or smell right. That's where Mountain Fresh Laundry changes the game. Our linen service for spas and massage therapists is designed specifically for the realities of wellness laundry. We use a proprietary washing formula engineered to break down essential oil residue at the fiber level, removing lingering scents completely, without damaging fabric or leaving behind harsh chemical smells. What you receive back are linens that are truly clean, neutral in scent, soft to the touch, and ready for your next appointment. This is how Mountain Fresh Laundry ends customer complaints before they ever happen. Because in a spa environment, even one unpleasant smell can ruin an otherwise perfect session. Clients may not always say something in the moment, but they remember how the experience made them feel. And subtle discomfort leads to fewer rebookings, lower reviews, and missed opportunities for growth. We also understand the reality of running a small wellness business. Most spa owners and massage therapists wear multiple hats every single day. You're not just providing treatments. You're managing bookings, client communication, inventory, staff scheduling, marketing, and finances. And after a long day of physical and emotional labor, you're still expected to wash, dry, and fold piles of heavy towels and oil-soaked sheets. That time adds up quickly. It cuts into your evenings. It steals energy from your family and personal life. And it limits your ability to focus on growing your business. You didn't open a spa to spend your nights doing laundry. Mountain Fresh Laundry exists to give that time back. With our free pickup and delivery service, your laundry process becomes effortless. We collect your used linens directly from your spa, transport them to our professional facility, clean them using spa-appropriate methods, and return them fresh, folded, and ready for immediate use. No machines to overload. No oils clogging your washer. No towels stacked in the corner, waiting to be folded late at night. Everything is handled professionally, consistently, and with care. Whether you're a solo massage therapist working long hours or a busy wellness center with back-to-back appointments, we customize our service to match your volume and schedule. Regular pickups, flexible timing, and dependable turnaround ensure you never run out of clean linens, even during your busiest weeks. Mountain Fresh Laundry ends customer complaints by protecting your brand behind the scenes. When your linens are consistently clean, neutral smelling, and soft, clients feel the difference, even if they don't consciously notice it. And when clients don't notice the linens at all, that's success. Because the best spa experience is one where nothing distracts from relaxation. Partner with a laundry service that understands wellness standards, fabric care, and the true value of your time. A partner who supports your business quietly, professionally, and reliably, so you can focus on what you do best. Mountain Fresh Laundry, because your clients deserve perfection and you deserve support. Visit mountainfreshlaundry.com and take laundry off your plate permanently.